Hello, everybody. My name is Larry Strong from Atlanta, Georgia. I decided to attend the Drone Command Live for the main reason of eliminating the confusion of the drone industry and to understand how I might make flying a drone around this wonderful, crazy world into a six-figure valuation with a marketing synergy to enhance my life beyond the clouds and your daily challenges. You'll know how to succeed in this business as a king of your own empire. Damon and Diego land you on the ground safely with all the tools to help get your side hustle or perhaps your main business up and running. So go ahead today and sign up for the Drone Command Live. Hello, everybody. My name is Larry Strong, and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And I decided to attend the Drone Command Live for the main reason of eliminating the confusion of what the drone industry is about and what you can do with the drone, and to better understand how I might make flying a drone around this wonderful, crazy world that we live in and possibly into a six-figure evaluation. And with the marketing synergy to enhance my life beyond the clouds and the daily challenges that we have. So after having been to this event for a few days now, I see that how we can succeed in this industry is relatively easy. You have to have the confidence, of course, and I believe that that's what they give you here. In this business, you can make you the king or the queen of your own empire. So Damon and Diego land you on your ground safely with all the tools to help you get your side hustle or perhaps your main business up and running as quickly as possible. Of course, it's not free, but anything in life that's worth doing is not free. You've got to learn and experience the bumps and bruises that have to come along with anything that you do, but they certainly put you on the right path and give you a business plan that gets you moving as quickly as possible. So thank you, Diego. Thank you, Damon.